Planning a trip to the Amazon in 2024? Wondering what to pack? There's no need to fret, we've got you covered. Here are some essential items to include in your luggage to ensure a memorable and hassle-free Amazon adventure. First up, a high-quality rain jacket. The Amazon rainforest, as the name suggests, is notorious for its unpredictable and often heavy rainfall. A waterproof, breathable rain jacket will keep you dry during sudden downpours and can also act as a windbreaker on cooler nights. Next on the list, a solid pair of hiking boots. The Amazon's terrain is diverse and often challenging, with muddy trails, steep inclines, and rocky paths. A sturdy pair of waterproof hiking boots will provide the necessary support and traction, keeping your feet protected and comfortable throughout your journey. Don't forget a reliable water bottle. Hydration is key when navigating the humid Amazon environment. Opt for an insulated, reusable water bottle to keep your water cool throughout the day. Some even come with built-in filters, ensuring you always have access to safe drinking water. Insect repellent is a must-have for any Amazon trip. The rainforest is home to a myriad of insects, including mosquitoes that can carry diseases. A strong, DEET-based repellent will help keep these pesky critters at bay. A travel first aid kit is another essential item. This should include bandages, antiseptic wipes, tweezers, and over-the-counter medications for common ailments like headaches and stomach issues. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Last but not least, consider packing a portable power bank. With limited access to electricity in many parts of the Amazon, having a backup power source for your electronic devices can be a lifesaver. To recap, for a successful Amazon adventure in 2024, remember to pack a high-quality rain jacket, sturdy hiking boots, a reliable water bottle, insect repellent, a travel first aid kit, and a portable power bank. With these essentials in your bag, you're all set to embrace the wild beauty of the Amazon rainforest. Happy travels!